This week we're going to be starting the Roaring Twenties. This is what your new module should look like when you open it on your screen. So at the top, as always, you have resources for the unit, including textbook pages and the slideshow that I show my in-person students. There is no graded work or activities quite yet for the unit, but they will appear under there when we get to those. There are 2 mini quizzes, and I'll show you what those look like for the week. And then, of course, before you start anything, there is a pretest to kind of give you an idea of what topics we're going to be looking at. So to start us off, the pretest, when you open it, it's going to give you questions to go through. For example, the first one is asking about the Dust Bowl, which you may or may not have ever heard of. And as you continue, mine went blank. So we'll skip on to the next thing. So this is the slideshow. Now at the top, when you open it, it gives you open options. If you open it with Google Slides, it will act like our everyday slideshows. Don't forget that there are embedded videos within these. So for instance, on this slide, when you get to it, there's an embedded video over the Volstead Act, and then also what a speakeasy would look like. Right, so on most of these slides, for instance, here are 3 little embedded videos. So you just click on them. This one's about prohibition, right? As we change topics and we get further down, let's see. Right, so this is about the election of 1924. Some of them I need to kind of change the colors, I suppose, but here's one about Calvin Coolidge talking about the election. So as you go through this, I've taken the time to embed short little video clips that will help you understand. There's a lot on this slide, obviously, over music. This is the age of jazz that we're getting ready to talk about. So there's quite a few little attachments over our key musicians during the time. For instance, this one is about movies. So I've given you a link to a clip that shows you the top 10 movies of 1920, what their plots were, and what that would have been like. So just make sure, if you are going through the slideshow and viewing the majority of these video clips, then you will have a good handle on what was going on during this time period. All right, the 2 little quizzes that I've attached are just, instead of the reading worksheets that we do, they're just kind of in quiz form and much shorter. So this one is over, let me move my screen a little bit, business in America. And so if you notice, they do look similar to the reading worksheets where you have your, at the top, vocabulary, your key vocabulary terms, people, phrases, and then a short little reading. So once again, kind of similar to what you would have seen on those worksheets, but in quiz form. And so you should be able to pull up this information, and then down below, you're just going to take the quiz. So from up above, it's just matching, right? And then there's a question or 2 over the reading. The second quiz, it looks the same. This one's over industry during this time period. You notice the key terms are highlighted, and then there are just a couple of questions about the reading. So instead of doing what looks like a traditional worksheet, we've just taken them and put them in a quiz-like format. So once again, for this week, you just have the pretest, going over the notes, and then the 2 quizzes. Also, please check PowerSchool. I usually try to update it several times throughout the week. If you know you've turned something in and it's not showing up, we need to try to track that down and figure out what's going on. Also on PowerSchool and sometimes on Canvas, depending on how the assignment's turned in, I try to leave you notes if I deduct points. So from the last assignment, the 1-pager, if I took off points, I tried to leave you a note on PowerSchool about what I couldn't find on your 1-pager that was listed on the rubric and why you got points deducted for that. So as always, let me know if you need anything. Thanks.